Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the pairing sequence now. On your iPhone, open Settings and verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, awake the Apple Watch and choose language to reveal the pairing animation. Make sure location services is enabled, then hold the iPhone camera over the watch's animation. Align until the phone recognizes the pattern. This starts secure exchange of data and prepares both devices for configuration. Once paired, you choose how to configure the watch, restore from backup for existing data, or set up as new to start fresh. You will be asked to accept terms, pick left or right wrist and create a passcode. Enable Apple Pay and Siri if you want them. Next, select which iPhone settings to share, health data, notifications, and app layout, and allow app installations to sync. During this phase, the devices exchange content and download optimized watch apps, so keep them close. You finish by letting the final sync complete. Confirm your watch face, notifications, and health metrics are present. Make sure notifications are allowed in iPhone settings and that Do Not Disturb is off. If something goes wrong, first reboot both devices, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and retry the camera pairing step. If the watch still won't pair, erase all content on the watch and start the setup again. That reset resolves most persistent pairing issues and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.